This is the famous clock tower here in Arusha. The famous clock tower in Arusha. Boa, boa! Look at this is the administration district. So around here, any administration district, you gotta be very, very careful for filming. So I have the feeling somebody gonna stop me in a minute, but since I just got here. Ngorongoro Tourism Center. I think this is a tourist office right here. Nice, it's a lot of green. Okay, there's an issue happening here right now. This is very weird. I'm walking on the street. This guy over there, he stopped me and he told me he's the police. He said, what am I doing in his country? I said, well, what do you mean by that? I'm a tourist. He said, no, it looks like he's been following me since yesterday. As far as that, he told me he's been following me because he said he saw me on border filming. I said, yeah, I'm in a public street. I film whatever I want. I'm not going to government office building. I'm in a public street. He started interrogating me saying that I need to show him my passport, my name, and then when I show him that I know my rule, I don't need to tell him anything. He said, no, he want to be my friend. I said, I don't want to be a friend to any policeman. Why do I need to explain myself to him anyway? So I said, if he want to talk to me, he got to get a paper from the police station and then arrest me and we go to the police station. And then I tell him exactly what I'm here for. You know, I'm a vlogger. I go anywhere around the world to vlog. Now he's trying to harass me. He's seen he can scare me off. I said, you know what? I said, by the way, I'm not allowed to talk to you. If you want to arrest me, you call the police and bring the police and take me to the police station. So then we start from there. Okay, that's what the issue is now. I don't know where he is now. He's back there somewhere. And he said he saw me since yesterday. It looked like the dude has been following me. What the fuck? Anyway, you know, I hope that won't look bad on Tanzanian. And I told him I'm here under the visa and I'm a YouTuber, I'm a vlogger. I go around the world to vlog. And I'm not breaking any law. I'm not filming any government building. I am filming public spaces. I think I'm allowed to do that, right? If he's not happy about that, let him call the police on me and see what's gonna happen. All right, man, that's what exactly I'm talking about. In the places, some people will go out of the way to apply the law by themselves. I've seen a lot of police around. Nobody told me anything. But you look like he's a taxi driver or what have you. He showed me some badge because he said he's a police. I looked at it, I didn't even bother reading because I know I'm within my right. I'm not bothering anybody. You know, so I told him, that's what I do. I go around the world and travel and vlog about the country. And I think I've seen thousands of YouTubers in Arusha here, vlogging everywhere. So nobody said that they've been stopped, they've been harassed, they've been anything. This is the first thing happened to me in all East Africa. Okay, well, you know, the thing is that as a YouTuber, you have to know exactly, not as a YouTuber, as anybody who goes filming around the world, you have to know your right. You have to know exactly what you're doing. Don't let people scare you off, honestly. As long as you are sure you're not doing anything illegal, as far as I might know, I'm not doing anything illegal. And the dude's been following me since yesterday. That's what he told me. And he said I was behind the border. Of course I take border everywhere I go. All right, yeah, I think I was here yesterday, as far as I remember. Okay, anyway, that's the issue just happened. I should have recorded him anyway, you know, but I didn't want to the situation. So, and I said, you know what, bro, I'm gonna leave. You call the police and let them come and arrest me. So then I left. And I don't know, maybe he's calling a backup or what have you, but I haven't seen him yet. All right, my friend, I'm gonna still walk around. And I think I came here yesterday. I remember this spot. Okay, and this is a huge park. I think if I can go inside the park and see if I can, or the cemetery actually. Hi. I say you guys are, and you guys are not interested in the cemetery. So I'm gonna bypass the cemetery. Habari. Nzuri sana. Asante, asante. Asante. Nzuri sana. Yeah, this is really quiet here. It's one of the residential. All right, this place is busy. I don't know where everybody's going or where they're coming from, but it is busy. Arusha is also one more thing. It's bigger than I thought. Woo, boy, you wanna fly? It's bigger than I thought, honestly. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm coming back to the main streets. Main street of Arusha. So, alrighty. Ah, okay. I remember now where I'm at. This is Sunni Masjid that I was talking about. And, all right. I mean, actually, this is a closed street. I don't see no cars running around. People are walking. That's what I like, you know. And Kokoro, the market, they told me what's the name of this market. I don't know, but I'm gonna check it. I wrote it down somewhere. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go back there later. Okay, the market is called Sokoku Market. Sokoku Market, that's what it's called. Anyway, I like this street because it's not as crowded as over there, but there's sellers everywhere, left and right. Let me focus my camera on one street. Oh, I see one car coming. Actually, over there, there's no walking. There's no car, but here there's a car coming. Sokoku Market, that's what it's called, Sokoku Market. The sun is blurring my face, honestly. I'm walking around with, I don't even see 10 meters ahead of me. Honestly, I have to be careful. I can only see the shadow of the cars and motorbikes coming. All right, here we are. This is another intersection. Let me try to get over there. This look like this old building here. Stationary, that's what it's called. Stationary. And it's really busy. I want to go back there too. It's much busy out there. And I see some police guy over there. I don't like police when I'm filming because they always will find something to approach you. So I'm gonna go up there. The guy told me over there. Oh wow, this street is busy. Okay. Woo-hoo! This sun is brutal. Honestly, it's blaring on my screen right now. So here we go. I want to put on myself because it's killing me when I'm facing the sun right now. There's a lot of food around here of the food makers, but I don't think any of them can be like this guy over there. He's an Indian guy. I mean, those Indian guys, they know how to market their business. That's the fact. Literally, he went out of the way and explained everything to me. Although the locals, the minute they see you with the camera, they duck their head down. It's free promotion they don't want to. Okay. This is the street I'm gonna take, literally. I'm trying to, this is a nice building here. I don't know what this building is, but it is really beautiful building. So, and I think I'm gonna have to go way down there. See that? Yeah, I'm gonna go way down there. It's another apartment building. It's a lot of sellers, It's a huge shop. This reminds me of Ajame Marché in Abidjan. Yeah, so far so good. You know, nobody's complaining. Some people I see around, they don't like camera, they put their head away. That's the beautiful thing anybody can do, you know. Because it is the public space, hopefully maybe they do understand that. You know, not everybody will like camera, but if you don't like it, it's at the public space, you just duck your head down. But if you want it, as I notice most of the time, we're YouTubers, we read faces. People who want to be on the camera, we know right away. Because they look at you, they smile, they wave. So then you come to them. But somebody see you go opposite direction, that means stay away from that person. But another person will come behind you and complain that you are filming them. Most of the time, if you are looking at view finder on the camera, you don't even see them. Because you are busy recording, you know. But they think you are intentionally trying to film them. Matatus are everywhere, like usual. It's a beautiful building here too. It's all residential. And also there was one more thing I have to say, that here people, vast majority of people don't speak English. And when you ask questions, they will have to look for somebody who can translate that for them. It's not a bad thing, but it's like coming from Nairobi, where like nearly 9 out of 10 will be able to communicate with you. But here, maybe 1 out of 10 is able to communicate with you in English. So, you know, that's how it is. And you have to play around it. There's a huge indoor market here, but it's getting for me very dark now to go to inside any marketplace. And also it will be the same scenery as in Kigali, in Kampala, in Nairobi. So I'm gonna try to avoid that one right here. I'm gonna be filming the street, literally. Habari yako? Nzuri sana. DJ, you wanna talk? You wanna say hi? Say how are you, bro? How are you? You are good? You is it that you do boda boda, yeah?
Yes, boda boda.
Boda boda.
Yes,
Kotokuru.
Sokoku.
Sokoku.
Yeah.
Oh, it's called Sokoku here.
Yes, Sokoku.
Sokoku. Arusha market. Oh, Sokoku, that's Arusha market.
Arusha market.
Over there. Oh, the market is over there. Okay, so he's telling me Arusha market is over there, but if I go there and turn around, it's okay, yeah? I'm gonna go there and turn around, okay? Okay. Asante. Asante sana, yeah? Thank you. That's a school kid I wanna. How are you? All right. So, Kokoku, that's the main Arusha market. Actually, I'm gonna go down there and make right. Downtown Arusha. All Arusha in the house. The sun is about to go down.
Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe because many more videos on the way. Thank you.